Traders, we're only 2 trading months into 2025 and we are plus 12% profit for the year. Want to know how? Stay tuned. Welcome to Simply Forex, the channel that gives you in-depth market analysis, trade ideas, tips, and advice so you too can succeed at trading. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to show you the strategy I'm using to achieve those results. If that sounds like a plan, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button. So I guess we should start, guys, by looking at the statistics, right? And as you can see, so far we are plus 12% for this year. January was 8% and February was 4%. Now, we've already done a vid on January, okay? So we're going to focus on February now. And as you can see, we had 24 trades, 13 were winning trades, 9 losing trades, and 2 were break even, which is why we have 2 win percentages. The first win percentage includes those break-even trades as losing trades because they weren't winners, but more fair or realistic is the 59.1% win percent because those 2 break-even trades are break-even. They're not losing trades. And that has meant plus 4% because we had 13 trades that were winners and 9 that were losers. And on each trade, I risk 1% to make 1%. So we have plus 4% result. All of these trades, all 24 of those trades are in the VIP Discord channel. So let's start there and take a look at the trade. So guys, what you're looking at is the VIP Discord channel, and this is where I put all of my trade ideas. As you can see, Tom's trades, that's me, and these are all of my trades that I put. And for each trade, I give you the currency pair, whether it's a buy or a sell, the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. And normally I let some profit run. Sometimes it's 20%, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's a little bit less, all right? But again, I give you that information as and when I take profit. And these are all the trades in February, right? Okay, we're going to have losing trades if it hits stop loss or hedge, or if we take profit, okay? And you can see every trade is recorded in here. So every trade in February. And don't worry, guys, what we're going to do shortly is take a look at one of these trades in detail so you can really understand how I trade and what I'm looking for an entry. So let's stop here, right? Let's take a look at this one. Euro, Swiss franc, sell. Here's the entry. There's the stop loss and there's the take profit. Okay, so this was February the 24th. So let's understand why I took this trade. So let's take a look at the charts. And before we look at the charts, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button, guys. Also, if you want any of our premium trading education, please go check out our website, www.simply-forex.com. and come join our trading community as well. We have a free Discord channel. Right, so let's understand. So that was 24th of September. Okay, so that was a Monday, and this is the candle here. So I took the trade on Monday. So let's understand why. So let's go back to that day, right? So what I do, guys, I'm going to talk you through exactly what I do every day. So I come in and do my analysis every morning religiously without fail whilst eating bran flakes and blueberries normally, sometimes porridge. Anyway, not important. And what I'm looking for, first of all, is structure on the day chart, right? So as you can see, we was in this uptrend and then it became a downtrend. Then it was an uptrend again, and then it became a downtrend. Okay, as soon as we broke all of these lows in here, it was a downtrend. And as you can see, this big bearish candle that happened on Friday, you can see that was Friday, right, told me that I can sell this pair, right, potentially back down to these lows in here, right? And that would be my higher time frame target back down to here. Okay, so daily in terms of structure, trend, support and resistance, and candlesticks said I can sell this pair, right? And the day is king. then normally, guys, I look at the weekly chart and just see if that confirms that I can sell it. And, this is in an uptrend, right? But we've had a huge wick rejection off of the top of this level here. So that also suggests that we could sell the weekly chart back down to these lows as well. Maybe we end up in a bit of a range. All right, but day is king. And then I just check on the weekly if it still makes sense. And for me, that does. But day is king, and day is telling me I can potentially sell this down to this low. And then obviously, guys, we got to find levels that we want to trade from. So if we go down to the H4, right, and there's clearly this level here, right? It was good support through here. And then when it breaks, it could potentially become good resistance, right? And we've got the moving average 20 coming down as well. So somewhere in this vicinity, right? It's not an exact science, guys, but somewhere in that vicinity, what I'm looking for is a bearish candle that tells me sellers are in control. So I use daily and weekly for direction, and then H4, even H1 to enter, okay? And then I just need to see sellers are in control. So if we just play this along a candle at a time, guys, right? Okay, so we've had a very bullish candle, right? Nothing's telling us we can sell this. And also worth pointing out, guys, if we break this last high here, then I'm not interested, right? That is a break of structure, and that is telling me price could potentially come up to here. But if this downward structure holds, right, potentially does this, then I'm interested in the trade still. So I'm still interested in the trade, but there's no candles here that telling me sellers are in control. Okay, so we just play it along. Even this candle, guys, right? That is a bullish wick. That is not telling me sellers are in control. And if we just play it along one more candle, right? This candle tells me sellers are in control. It is a big bearish candle with very little bottom wick, full-bodied selling candle, right? There are a lot of sellers in there, okay? That is the first selling candle we have seen. If we just take a quick look at the H1, because I will use the H1 to enter as well. And, again, follow structure, keep an eye on the H1. And this is telling us that potentially we're in a H1 downtrend as well, because we're starting to get lower highs, right? We're below the moving average 20 as well now, which I also like. And again, we got this bearish H1 candle that coincided with that H4 bearish candle. Okay, we go back to the H4. Yeah, you can see this big bearish candle. And again, this is still below the moving average 20. So generally speaking, guys, I want to be below the moving average 20 for sells, above the moving average 20 for buys. Okay, so if we now go down and take a look at entries, right? So I basically entered here, guys. I got a little bit of a retrace, right? But basically entered there, put my stop above here. And then all I was looking to do, guys, was take price back down to these lows. And as you can see, I roughly get my 1:1. And that's all I'm looking to do, get my 1:1. And then potentially I'll let some profit run down to these higher time frame lows. Okay, so let's play this along and just see how this plays out. Well, we know how it plays out. It was a winning trade. And there you go, guys, right? Pretty much instantly it's come down and hit these lows, right? And we take profit. Once we hit these lows, I'm going to take 80% profit. And then I'm going to let 20% run. And I can just trail the stop, right? These are now the last highs, right? And I could just sort of trail the stop downwards. Okay? But it's as simple as that, guys. It's price action, okay? It's price action, looking at daily and weekly on the higher time frames, and then it's price action, looking for entries on the H4 and or the H1. And it's as simple as that, guys. Don't overcomplicate trading. Okay, the multiple time frame analysis can be a little bit tricky, but with practice, you too can do it. And again, if you want help with that, don't forget to check out our website, www.simply-forex.com, and we've got all of our premium trading education in there. And guys, if you've enjoyed the vid, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button. And I'll see you next month for more results.